Why, hello, it's me, Mr. Sasaki, and today is Perpetual Motion on the viola step-by-step tutorial walkthrough. Alright, Perpetual Motion is song number 10 in Suzuki Viola Book 1. And it's smack in the middle of Book 1, so it's his landmark piece because it separates all the D major melodies that we've learned up till now, and following it is going to be G major using our G string and C major using some C string. So it's kind of this moment of like solidifying our D major before we move on to bigger things, right? It's a big song. So 4 lines make up this song, all right? We have an A, B, C, A. Okay, so we have 2 A's on the outside with a B and C in the center. There's some tricks to it, and we'll get to that. So let's just start with line A. Okay, so here we go. Line A. I'll sing it first. D 1 2 2 1 2 3 3 2 3 4 2 3 1 A D 1 2 2 1 2 3 3 2 3 4 2 3 1 D D. All right. So the trick is we have 4 measures in this A line. All right, and the first, well, measure 2 ends with A, and then measure 4 ends with D D. So I'll pluck it and I'll make a big deal of it. Here we go. So it's essentially the same thing twice, but then with A and D D. Here we go. D 1 2 2 1 2 3 3 2 3 4 2 3 1 A D 1 2 2 1 2 3 3 2 3 4 2 3 1 D D. All right, so the A D D, so it kind of creates like this little cadence for us. All right, so that's line A. Let's just do line B in the same situation here. So here I'm going to sing it first, okay? At this one we also have measure 2, A, measure 4, D D. So it's a little pattern here, and it's pretty much the same thing both times except for the A D D. So here we are. So it's 3 2 1 1 2 1 A 1 A 3 3 2 1 A 3 2 1 1 2 1 A 1 A 3 3 2 1 D D. Okay, so we have this cascading. The first one is da 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 going up. This is da 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 going down. Okay, it's kind of fun. So it's in opposite direction. So here we are. I'm going to pluck it. Here we go. 3 on the A. So 3 2 1 1 2 1 A 1 A 3 3 2 1 A 3 2 1 1 2 1 A 1 A 3 3 2 1 D D. A D D. Kind of hear that cadence in your head, okay? So now section C, or line C, okay? This one is 2 times the same thing, so 2 measures and 2 measures, both the same, which is nice, okay? So you'll hear it. So it's going to be 2 D 1 1 3 1 2 2 4 2 3 A 1 2 3 3 2 D 1 1 3 1 2 2 4 2 3 A 1 2 3 3. All right, let's pluck it. Here we go. 2 D 1 1 3 1 2 2 4 2 3 A 1 2 3 3 2 D 1 1 3 1 2 2 4 2 3 A 1 2 3 3. Okay? All right. So that one kind of skips and then does a scale at the end. Da 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 up to 3 3. All right. Now we kind of completed the song. Let's just review quickly with the A, okay? Because we have an A, B, C, A. Let's review with the A. Here we go. D 1 2 2 1 2 3 3 2 3 4 2 3 1 A D 1 2 2 1 2 3 3 2 3 4 2 3 1 D D. All right. Now let's do this up in pizzicato position, okay? Again, keep that straight wrist here. Okay, here we go. Let's do line A, okay? And then I'll take a short break, line B, short break, line C, and then we'll go into A again to complete it all. Here we go. 1 A So D 1 2 2 1 2 3 3 2 3 4 2 3 1 A D 1 2 2 1 2 3 3 2 3 4 2 3 1 D D. Here we go. 1 2 ready go. D 1 2 2 1 2 3 3 2 3 4 2 3 1 A D 1 2 2 1 2 3 3 2 3 4 2 3 1 D D. Okay, now the B line, we do the cascading down. 3 2 1 1 2 1 A 1 A 3 3 2 1 A 3 2 1 1 2 1 A 1 A 3 3 2 1 D D. All right, here we go. 1 2 3 on the A string. A little bit slower. 1 2 3 4. 3 2 1 1 2 1 A 1 A 3 3 2 1 A 3 2 1 1 2 1 A 1 A 3 3 2 1 D D. Okay, the C section. Are you ready? Sounds ominous, but it's C line. Here we go. So it's going to be 2 D 1 1 3 1 2 2 4 2 3 A 1 2 3 3. Again, 2 D 1 1 3 1 2 2 4 2 3 A 1 2 3 3. Okay, here we go. 1 and ready go. 2 D 1 1 3 1 2 2 4 2 3 A 1 2 3 3 2 D 1 1 3 1 2 2 4 2 3 A 1 2 3 3. Okay, last A section, just for good luck. Let's cover that. Let's do it again. Ready? A D 1 2 2 1 2 3 3 2 3 4 2 3 1 A D 1 2 2 1 2 3 3 2 3 4 2 3 1 D D. Okay, so we have all of our A B C A organized. Let's see if we can go straight through. Okay, I'm just going to try to sing my best. It's going to be a long one. Whew, no breaks. Here we go. 1 2 ready go. D 1 2 2 1 2 3 3 2 3 4 2 3 1 A D 1 2 2 1 2 3 3 2 3 4 2 3 1 D D 3 2 1 1 2 1 A 1 A 3 3 2 1 A 3 2 1 1 2 1 A 1 A 3 3 2 1 D D 2 D 1 1 3 1 2 2 4 2 3 A 1 2 3 3 2 D 1 1 3 1 2 2 4 2 3 A 1 2 3 3 D 1 2 2 1 2 3 3 2 3 4 2 3 1 A D 1 2 2 1 2 3 3 2 3 4 2 3 1 D D. Okay, you can see what this is a beast, right? And it gets harder. There's a trick at the end. So here we go. Let's do with the bow. Okay, here we go. So it's going to be D 1 2 2 1. So here's our A section. Okay, here we go. Ready, set, go. D 1 2 2 1 2 3 3 2 3 4 2 3 1 A D 1 2 2 1 2 3 3 2 3 4 2 3 1 D D. So this is marked staccato, so make sure you're keeping that weight in that we did with Allegro. You're going to keep the weight in, you're just going to kind of push and pull. Whoop. Like that, okay? So, okay? Now, let's do that B section. Here we go. Still staccato, even though we're on the A string. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, A, 1, A, 3, 3, 2, 1, A, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, A, 1, A, 3, 3, 2, 1, D, D. Okay? Whew. All right, now it's time for C. All right, so C line. All right, 2D, 1, 1, that one. Here we go. Weight in the bow, staccato, ready, go. 2D, 1, 1, 3, 1, 2, 2, 4, 2, 3, A, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2D, 1, 1, 3, 1, 2, 2, 4, 2, 3, A, 1, 2, 3, 3. All right, and for good luck, our last A. Here we go. Ready, go. D, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, A, D, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, D, D. Okay, let's put it all together. A, B, C, A. Okay, staccato notes. Let's get ready. This is a long one. Here we go. Ready. 1, 2, ready, go. D, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, A, D, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, D, D, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, A. 1, A, 3, 3, 2, 1, A, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, A, 1, A, 3, 3, 2, 1, D, D, 2, D, 1, 1, 3, 1, 2, 2, 4, 2, 3, A, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, D, 1, 1, 3, 1, 2, 2, 4, 2, 3, A, 1, 2, 3, 3, D, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, A, D, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, D, D. Okay, so you made it through that. This is long, right? Okay, there's one more trick. Believe it or not. This is why it's a landmark piece. They put this as a test. There's a B section, and it's labeled as variation below. Okay, so we're going to see, instead of eighth notes, we're having 16th notes. So for every eighth note head that you see, you're going to double those into 2 16ths. So in this case, we have D, 1, 2, 2 for the beginning. We're going to double those, and it's going to be D, D, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. You get the idea. So we're supposed to keep it within the same tempo that we played the eighth notes, but just doubling into 16ths now. So we're not going to slow it down to accommodate 16ths. We're going to keep them in the same tempo. And that's the challenge, is to go from that staccato into moving pretty fast, smooth legato with the open and closing elbow. Okay, so let's just do a little bit of that B. Okay, here we go. Or let's do the whole B. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, so I'm tired. How did you do? Like, this is a beast. So you're expected to play those Perpetual Motion 8th note version and then immediately jump into the doubles, the 16ths, and play it essentially twice through. Whew, so it's a test. If you can pass that, you are ready for the second half of the book. Now, if you're ready to practice this with me and play it and perform it, I'll see you in the playthrough next, slow and fast, where we'll be doing singles and doubles slow, singles and doubles fast. All right, I'll see you there. Bye.